guys, my name is Josh and today I would like to make a frozen fresh homemade juice. And yeah, so I'll show you what you need. And then you put the blueberries in. After you put all of your blueberries in, then next you put some apples in. After I put all my apples in, I get my banana and pear. There we go. I put my banana in. And last of all, my ice. All done. Now I can put my juice in. Got my juice. And pour it in. Like that. And then put water in it. Now. I got my water in. And juice. So now I'm gonna mix it. Pretty good. Put my lid on. Now I will put it into the juicer. My juice. So now I like to have a taste of it. I'm gonna get a cup. It's so delicious. Thanks for watching. If you can, please subscribe and press the good button, and I hope you guys can make your own homemade juice or copy my ingredients and have a healthy life. I'll meet you in my other videos.